Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm starting off with dirty, dry, flaky hair. I've ignored my hair for about 5 weeks now without a wash or a retwist, so it's time to give my hair some TLC. I went through a bad mental slump, but now that I'm back, it's time to get to work on this head. I first start off with a clarifying shampoo. This is the Giovanni Tea Tree Triple Treat Shampoo. It's sulfate free. And to help work in the product, I'm going to be using a shampoo brush. This just helps to really scrub my scalp and get all up in there, which I'm going to need since it's been so long since I've washed my hair. Alright, so first I am just soaking my hair and trying to get it to just get as much water as possible before we start this wash process. As I said, it's been quite a while since I've washed or retwisted my hair. I also work out, so that sweat content obviously is going to help dry my hair out even more, in addition to me not taking care of it during that time. So I'm just going in with that Giovanni Tea Tree shampoo after thoroughly rinsing my hair and just giving it a good scrub. I always start with my scalp first, just because I really want to get up in there. Like I said before, I do exercise a little bit and I sweat in my head. So I always like to just really get in the scalp because obviously that's where the hair grows from. So I really just like to keep the scalp clean and healthy. And as you can see, like, my hair was super dirty. My hair literally just absorbed the shampoo with this first wash. On the second lather is where I then start to move the shampoo down the length of my locks. I just like to get that first lather out of the way to just focus on the scalp only. And then I just focus on getting that product all over my head as best as I can. I guess within the 5 weeks that I wasn't doing my hair, I forgot how to wash my hair. And it was really difficult for some reason trying to wash my hair again. My arms were really tired doing my hair. So if you see me missing spots or going over the same spots over and over, please disregard. It's just been a really long time, and for whatever reason, it was a little tough getting back into my normal routine. I normally don't struggle on my wash days. It's normally pretty therapeutic and I can get through it fairly quickly. But again, I guess because it's just been a while, I just have to get back used to the routine. Next, I'm going in with a moisturizing shampoo. This here is the Pure Coconut Shampoo. After clarifying, after we've stripped all of the product and dirt and oil from our hair, I just like to go in with a moisturizing product just to give my hair some nutrients and moisture. And I'm going to work that all through my hair, trying to cover as much area as I possibly can. After washing my hair, it's time to moisturize and oil. So first, I'm going in with some Florida water. If you know, you know. After applying the Florida water, which I forgot to add the clip in somehow, but after that, I am going to moisturize with the Peculiar Roots Refresher Spray. And then for my scalp, I will be using the Main Choice Growth Oil. I don't use this necessarily to grow my hair. I just really like how it makes my hair and scalp feel. So I will go in with that for my scalp. Okay, to start the retwist process, I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections using some hair ties. And then once the hair is all divided up, I am going to go through and separate my locks because obviously they get a little tangled up during the wash process, and because it's been so long since I've done my hair. And then row by row, I will go through and use the refresher spray as well as the scalp oil as I go through for my retwist. Alright, so for my lazy retwist, I call this a lazy retwist because I'm not using any clips, dryers, anything like that on my hair like you would a traditional retwist. I'm literally just doing this because it had been so long since I had done my hair. I still was not in the mood to do my hair per se, but I knew I needed to start making moves to get out of this slump. So I'm just going through and palm rolling as I normally do. And I'm not over twisting because I don't want to over manipulate my hair. And I'm just going to go through and palm roll to the best of my ability here. Again, not using any clips or over twisting. And then once I finish, basically trying to train the hair to go in the direction that I want it to go and, you know, take its shape, I'll then just put the entire section back into a ponytail with the hair tie, and I let my hair air dry in those ponytails to secure the retwist the same way you would with the clips. So basically, this is just a lazy way to do the retwist. Of course, it's not going to be super sleek and super laid like you would if you were to use clips, products, and the dryer. My main focus here was just having clean hair and a semi-clean look, if that makes sense. Alright, so I know it was probably a little difficult to see that first section that I was doing in the back. So here I am. I've completed those other 3 sections and now showing the last section, just to give a better view of the whole process. Again, same thing, just going through row by row, spraying it down with the refresher spray, then putting the oil on my scalp, and then going through each lock and just palm rolling and fixing anything with the roots. If there's any extra hair sticking out, just trying to fix that as best as I can, since this is a lazy retwist. Again, the main focus here is just the clean hair. Normally on a lazy retwist day, I would either braid or twist my locks, so that way not having a super sleek and laid retwist wouldn't matter, because the hair would either be crinkly or it would be wavy from the twist that I put in or the braids. But this time, like I said, I just did not feel like doing it. I just knew that my hair needed to be clean. So that's why I'm just doing the palm rolling, throwing it in the ponytails, and then I think I left the ponytails in for like 2 days, just for my twist to really set, since I wasn't using the blow dryer. Alright guys, and as this video is coming to a close here with this last row, this is my full wash day and lazy retwist routine. I can get through this retwist way quicker than the traditional retwist with the clips, blow dryer, you know, sleek products. And I'm starting to like this non-super clean look these days with this new set of locks. And yeah, this is what works for me. All product information will be linked below in the description box and where I got it from. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.